could cry. It's so lovely. It's so beautiful.
And with the
Oh, and with the weather, and the ice,
the boat on the back,
boat. Oh,
on the other side. Yeah.
Oh.
It's so beautiful.
Oh. Whoa. We're gonna go down.
Wow.
Yay!
God. That was awesome.
Your patience paid off.
Our patience. Thank you for bearing with me.
Actually,
I mean,
we got the VIP
I can't really
after all.
plan it for them to come by,
that was
but
really
they were
good.
going that way, so I was trying to just stay in line with them, and then they turned, and you just can't do anything about that sometimes. But enjoy it.
You did the best
And
because
oh my
everyone
gosh.
kind of trying to steal the spots.
Valentine's
And you were the
Day.
one backing out. You
Yeah,
know?
what a Valentine's
You know
Day.
what happens?
Right.
That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah.
That's my Valentine's Day
Well,
present. I'll never
Very
forget.
highly trained in wildlife watching from very regulated waters. So,
Yeah.
oh, there they are just
well,
ahead.
it will be very wicked.
Oh, look, they're heading towards
Yeah,
us. Whoa, and whoa! Oh,
It's amazing.
they're just showing off.
It's going that way.
Oh, that way. Oh. With that lovely
Pretty
light.
darn special.
Oh, with the light behind you
I
as
know,
well. I mean,
exactly.
Wow. What a perfect evening.
Oh,
Do I really need to jump in
Oh,
here?
it went
wow.
right next to them.
is that a seal or a whale?
No, it's a wild
It's a whale went right up.
one. For sale.
Look, right there.
broke
Oh,
off.
yeah, went right through. Oh, maybe I don't want to. I don't need to get her. It's like, just enjoy what's happening.
You're right standing it. There's no ice. I'm just going to keep it nice and slow and steady. No wakes or anything. So
That's a good view. That way looks like a big infinity pool.
Oh, isn't that
It looks like you would just go over the edge if you.
yeah, absolutely.
It's just stunning.
It could. I haven't been over there. Just in front there. I love the sound too.
It's fantastic.
And I believe they do come near us, you know, purposely.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go. Wow. And again.
They know they're the show.
Yeah.
Yes, they must. They must.
Do they usually hang around for as long as they have? Because they've been.
Their purpose is just to feed. So if there's
So
food,
if
they'll
there's a
hang
lot of
around.
food,
Yeah, they really
yeah.
have nowhere else they really need to go. But
But they're not afraid of. I think they kind of know who will be.
Not afraid anymore, no. So this whole bay was really well known for the whalers back in the day, and Wilhelmina is actually the name of they named it for the Queen of the Netherlands in the late 1800s.
Right.
When this area was discovered.
Yep.
Dutch whaling company or ship found this area first. But